Hey, today we're going to be measuring angles, and there are a couple things that we're looking at. This thing, and move it around. This is a protractor, and these numbers will help you measure the angle. And as you can see, it can go two different ways. You can measure starting over here at 0 and counting up, and it goes all the way around up to 180. Or you can start on the inside and count from 0 and go all the way over to 180 on this side. So these two rays form an angle, and we're going to measure that angle right now. So you want to line up so that one of the rays lines up along this red line. When it's on that red line, it makes it as 0 on that one. From there, just like a number line, you can count up. And so when I see this 0, I'm going to go, it makes sense to go with the inside 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 compared to using this top one. When I go here, I see 10, and then I got to come here and kind of like just get a little bit more precise. This would be 20, so I know the answer is going to be in between 10 and 20. If I see that little middle one right there, I know that's 15. So it's just under half of that. So I'm going to put in my answer over here as being 14 by clicking this. Yay, we got it correct. So let's try one more. We take the protractor. This time we're going to turn it and we're going to have it go to the left. And we get that ray to line up with the 0. At this point, we're looking at the other ray to see what its measurement is. Again, this number's on 0, so we're going to use the top outside one and count. This makes sense to go 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, to use those. So when I look right here, here's 0. Well, 10's right here. This ray doesn't make it to it. So when I look, I know my answer is going to be less than 10. 5 is right here. So I know the answer is going to be in between 5 and 10. I'm going to say that that answer, can't really count it that well. I'm going to say that it's 7. So right here, I go over here, I click 7. Yay, we got it correct. And that's how you use this protractor.